Hi guys, it's me here back again. Let me clean up right here. It has slime right there. So I just made this slime, and it was also the winner of the slime test. So, or maybe I should say it passed the test. I'm hilarious. Okay, I'm kidding. I'm not funny at all. But anyways, I'm going to put this in here. So I'm doing the step by step, and I'm showing you guys exactly what you need because this one is really good. So this is Zincplex shampoo, healthy scalp and hair for women and men, purifying shampoo. It's an 8-ounce bottle with 250 millimeters, and yeah, it's really good. So always spot test first. Always spot test first. So that means you spot your hair with it first. But anyways, this is not why we're here for it, to learn how to wash your hair. Like, are you kidding me? But anyways, we're going to just dump some in here. This is step by step. I keep forgetting. What you need is shampoo, and for this particular video, you need this particular bottle. You can get this at Walmart. You will need salt, something to mix in, something to mix with, which mine is over here. I don't mix with this, I mix with this. Let me clean that off. Oops, it fell. Sorry guys, kind of fell. But anyways, yeah. Yeah. So, first thing you need to do is you're going to put some in here. Okay, now it's deciding to come out. And I don't think you guys noticed, but any slime you're making or anything, when you touch it, nothing's going to appear on your hand. So you're not going to just add that slime. But anyway, there is some salt on the bottom of this or whatever it is. I didn't put it on there, but I just made like a whole bunch of other ones in here. So once I stir it, it's probably already going to be how it's supposed to be. So I'm mixing mine. You need a pinch of salt. I didn't really put salt in there, guys, because, as I said, I do other videos in here, so it might already be slimy, and it is. So, guys, yeah. This was a really quick video, so I want to thank you guys for watching this, and, yeah. And guys, if you don't want to use this particular, or if you don't have this particular shampoo, make sure the shampoo you're using is very thick. It has to be very thick. So maybe that'll work out for you. Thanks for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe.